guys, it's Soda here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on another cosplay. Thanks to EZCosplay for sending me another awesome cosplay to try out. So in case you don't know, I did a video with EZCosplay not too long ago where I reviewed their toga cosplay and props and everything. And I was super happy with the cosplay. I even wore it at Armageddon Expo Christchurch this year. I was super impressed with the quality, and in case you don't know, I'm also going to be attending the Auckland Armageddon this year. Finally, I've been wanting to go for a few years, and this year I'm finally going, so I'm very excited about that. I reached out to EZCosplay again and asked them if they wanted to send me another cosplay for me to review, so they agreed. So I got to choose a cosplay, and I chose the HATSUNE MIKU 2020 Magical Mirai cosplay. So it's quite a new HATSUNE MIKU outfit. I have cosplayed Miku before in her normal outfit, but I wanted to get something different and kind of something newer. I'm so excited. I've never worn anything like this before, and it looks so beautiful. So yes, I did get this cosplay sent to me for free from EZCosplay, but I'm not being paid for this video, and this is a completely honest review as always. But since I've already done a video with EZCosplay before, I already know that it's probably going to be pretty good. So I'll have the links down below to the cosplay. Costume itself, just for the costume, is $150 US. You do have to get the wig and the shoes separately. The wig is $30 and the shoes are also $30. So in here we have the costume, the wig, and the shoes. We even got this one in a nice EZCosplay bag, so that's very cool. I am so excited. Okay. Ooh, okay, here's the shoes. Here's the wig. Oh yes, we got a wig cap too! Thank God! Okay, I was so worried because my last wig cap actually broke. So I was like really worried that I was just gonna have to like try and deal with this, you know, under a wig, but it includes a wig cap. Thank the Lord. I don't know how they fit everything into this bag, but they did. Oh! Alright, so let's open the wig first and have a wee look. So we got our beautiful wig cap. We have our Miku wig. Now this wig is different to... Ooh. Okay, this is the first part. This is the pigtails. So this Miku wig is a bit different because it has like pink on the ends of it, which is pretty cool, and hopefully it will be nicer than the last Miku wig I had, because I had just like a normal Miku wig and it got completely destroyed after wearing it for one day. So I'm hoping that this will be a bit nicer, but it looks really nice. Oh my god, it's so pretty. These look so cool. Alright, we got our shoes. Very cool. They're like, I don't know, they're like a really nice material. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like, it's quite thick and strong though. I hope these fit me. They look really cool though. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Oh, this is like for under the skirt, I think. Oh my god. It's gonna be so puffy. This is gonna be like a little bit difficult to put on, but I guess we'll see. Also, the great thing is this costume even includes all the accessories you need, which is very cool. Wait, are these actual headphones? Oh my god! That's so cool. What the heck? I need to test them out, see how well they work. This is so cool. Alright, so I'm going to figure out how to put this on, and we'll review it from there. Okay, it took me a little while to get everything on, but I did it. It's a lot. I don't know how I'm gonna show you guys. Kind of hard to show you guys everything, but look at this. Look how cute this is. Wow, this is so cool. I feel very cool in this. So I got this in a size medium, but honestly I probably should have gone with a small because you might be able to tell these straps are very kind of loose, but that's no big deal. I can just easily pin those back so they stay straight. I don't usually wear things like this, so like I'm kind of like, but I really love it. It's so cute. These arm things look very cool and like fun. They do have these big bows on them on like both sides of the sleeve, so they are a bit heavy, so you'll probably be like adjusting this all the time while wearing it. Look at all this detail. I can't believe the amount of detail in this. Like the skirt is super puffy because it has like a separate puffy thing underneath. It looks so cool. One thing that's kind of confusing to me is that it came with like tights that are like really big. Like I thought it would just come with like one sock for your leg. So this leg is supposed to be like no sock. Instead you get like a light skin color tight. But then like what about other skin colors, you know? Isn't that kind of like weird? These are really huge, so I'm literally using like clips to clip them up for now. So like I don't think I will actually wear these, and I would have preferred it just to come with like a black sock. These shoes are so freaking cool. They make me really tall. They're also perfect fit, so that's good. You can choose the size of your shoes. This wig is very nice. Like, it's super good quality. And gave it a little bit of a brush and that was fine. So it comes with these headphones, which are like actually real headphones. Here's a cable for it. Now, like, not gonna lie, I'll probably just cut the cable off because it's just a bit annoying. And like, I don't think I'll actually use these. They probably won't be any good because they're just like probably like a cheap pair. But I want to test them out anyway. Because I didn't know they were actually real headphones. Oh wait, I don't have a headphone jack. Alright, obviously I have to listen to this because iconic. Okay, it's bad. It's not good. The sound quality is not good, but that's what I expected. I love this so much. What do you guys think? I think this is probably my favorite cosplay of all time, to be honest. I love it so much. It is so pretty. Alright, Toby's come to join us. What do you think of my cosplay, Toby? You're so cute. You're so cute. He really wants to be cuddled right now. But I'm kind of in the middle of something. I'm a little bit busy. I'm sorry. Is this a human or is this a dog? I don't really know, honestly. He smells so good. He just had a bath, so he smells really nice. So yeah, everything's pretty high quality, pretty thick. All this material is really quite thick, and the bows and stuff, like, I don't even know what to explain it, but it's like, it's very well made, is what I mean. I really love the skirt. Like I said, how it's so puffy. I really love that. Everything's just like super nice and like detailed. We got this little thing which hangs off your dress. The only thing I don't really like is the tights that it comes with, but that's no biggie. Like, I do want to do some adjustments here just to make everything a little more snug, you know what I mean? It makes me want to like learn how to dance so I can dance in this and stuff. I feel like that would be fun. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I've just been taking some photos and stuff for my Instagram, Soda Collects. You can follow that if you want. That's where I post all my anime. Or you can follow Soda Pets, which is where I post all my pet stuff. Feel free to go follow them. There'll be some pictures of my cosplay up on there at some point. Thank you so much, EZCosplay, for sending me this amazing cosplay. I love it so much, and I can't wait to wear it for Auckland Armageddon in October. Because I always get asked so many times if I'm going to Auckland Armageddon, and this year I am. So hope I meet you guys there. I'll be there on the Saturday. I'll be looking like this, so you'll be able to find me pretty easily probably. If there's any other cosplays you guys would like to see me review on my channel, feel free to let me know, because there'll probably be more of these videos at some point in the future too, because they're really fun to make and I love cosplay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!